Hey lovely people, today we are making chicken kikalai. This is a popular street food here in Uganda and today we are going to make it at home. Now follow properly, don't miss a thing. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for the support. Now as you can see, I have my Irish potatoes. I'm going to cut them. We are going to make chips, so cut them into chips. So I have 1 kilo of chicken legs. As you can see, I'm going to add in my spices. I have garam masala, I have cumin powder, I have paprika, and I have some nutmeg. Add in a half teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt. I added in a teaspoon of Royco and a bit of sugar. Now I grated my garlic and onions. I'm going to add it in there, and a tablespoon of cooking oil. Now you're going to mix this properly. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce for your marination. Mix this properly. Yes, cover with a cling film and put in the fridge for about 30 minutes or more if you have more time. Now, yes, I'm going to make my chips. Yes, guys, add in 1 bay leaf, cut 1 onion and garlic, add it in there. You are going to love it. The aroma, your chips are going to be so delicious. Yes, so my chips are ready. I'm going to take them off the heat. Yes, so in the same cooking oil, please add in your chicken, and you're going to fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's really golden brown and ready. Make sure you don't overcook it because it will become too dry, and you don't want it to be too dry. Yes, my chicken is looking nice, guys. This is so yummy. Please try it out. Guys, our chicken looks so nice. Oh, so yummy. So guys, these are our ingredients, as you can see here. So in a different pan, please add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in your chopped garlic and onions there. I chopped some carrots and green peppers in there. I added in a cabbage. You can use any amount that you want. I added in 2 chopped tomatoes and half cup of tomato sauce. I mean, what is street food without tomato sauce here in Uganda? Yes, so add in your chips there, as you can see, and lay on your pieces of chicken. You cover this and cook for about 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes are done. I'm going to add in some spices. As you can see, I'm using the same spices: garam masala, cumin, nutmeg, paprika, and a bit of Royco in there. Yeah, so don't mix with a wooden spoon. Please do what I'm doing there, and it will help. So our dish is ready there. You guys, this is so yummy. Please try it out. Get back to me. I'm going to sit and enjoy this. So yummy. Thank you guys for your support, and tell me what you want to watch next. Yes, God bless you guys. Bye.